Life full of fast here. You know, I'm nowhere near this. This is the ocean there, right there, my friend. I'm not catching to this at no time at all. Straight ocean we are dealing with today. Ocean. Be a king queer. Eh? What is it? Call him now because we don't want him to go buy a cigarette for me. None of them get all enough, you see? Be an alright letter, but please do not touch this. Please don't touch this. Right in there. Miss what you can't come on this alive, my love. You live in the ocean. You make me know if you want to come on that. Recover! Right, so then be a batty business are going by so today. Right there, so if you're not living in the ocean, me not adding you. Because it would be disrespectful to put you in the ocean. Tell me, say, oh, it's up to now. Because this is the ocean, we not today. You swimming? Who's swimming? Right there, sir.
God, when I reach 30 at your please, let me leave Kaki alone and leave Batty alone. God, when I reach 30 in my 30s, let me be able to sit down and prepare myself to meet you. When I reach 30, I'm not supposed to have Kaki and Batty for my mind. I send young boy my Batty, skin out wide and a ball pin, fuck me and there with me. There and then, when I understand how you are 30 at year while I never work from the day you come out to him with a pussy yet and call you, you come over here to talk about gate address. And second of all, that's my wrong address, so could blood clot, y'all. But you go look my nice, you go look my nice, clean young friend from Blood Clot America. Nice, clean blood clot friend, pretty blood clot Ronnie. Nice, clean Ronnie, you go look. I expect to Ronnie that go live with a dog like you, a big blood clot Rottweiler, a big blood clot bull cow. You think him that gonna come live with you? Me personally would have hate Ronnie. Would have hate Ronnie. Ronnie could live with the likes of you. You really look on the video, cheese? I'm big man, you know? 30 in a year. That is nasty and black and cranny and cheese. Hallelujah!
I don't get all they don't see you at
this appreciation. No, me not laugh. No, they might come out for me, them team up and me come out for them back. Big 30 of the year old. Any of me send a picture in a roll.
This what's
you know, man, with the blood clot me used to work. Man with the me used to work. Man with fix house. Man with fix house and do me used to work. And them kind of man, the big thick man. When me say big and thick, in big and thick. Sweaty and nasty and crawly.
Making moves, they're too bad.
Yeah, the one who was on the live, his name Ankai. But him have big cheese, I'm on the live. I said, cheese, I did now. I did make it come. That could come show his face. But one cheese, bring him on.
Get some of them people see. It was slow it up. So I need my work with that. See?
Like him, big up yourself, I like it too, boy.
iPhone 10X.
Him come out strong. Him come out strong. Would I like him to join the live? I would like he to join the live and show his face.
That's why I upgrade this. When I upgrade this, we believe this I go upgrade because the same Instagram me login and to for me.
Show the video, darling. I can't show it, but I will be releasing it soon.
Mercy. Mercy. You have to pay for the video. Let's see how much people want to see that video.
Big up yourself, darling. Big up yourself to China girl. China girl, big up yourself too.
Gaza man say I'm going to kill him. They say boy Ken. Gaza man 39-0.
No fake page can kill me. Me kill fake page. I'm dead already. That's why the screen blank. Oof.
Yeah.
Blood clots. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna fuck with Duppy. So I like say, you have a nice picture, I can say bad to bad, me a fucking your body, or you could have fucked me, or I could have stuck your cocky, and you suck my cocky. You have no picture. So you're dead already. Talk again, Gaza. Tell the man, you're not tight. Right now, man, me sure. I like when bad man argue with me and lick me in my face, you know, and then fuck me after, you know. Hold me and let me choke, you know. Bumper clot, while you fuck me, I bad up my blood clot, you know, more you slap me in my face, you know, like gun. To talk to my man, reason, you know. When gone, him not tight.